right, take a look at the wireless inflatable pump. That's cool. So we got a little pouch with all of our accessories. So we got our air hose. We got some extra nozzles, so if you need to fill up inflatables or basketballs or anything like that. And then we got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. These tires are rated for a 30 PSI max, so I'm going to set that here. Just press and hold the power button. Right now it's set to 38, and it says it's on PSI, so I'm going to bring that down. There we go, 30 PSI. All right, so it's reading 9 right now. So one thing I can say I like about it is that it does not make a ton of noise. Like, it's not super quiet, but I can actually use this thing in the garage without it blowing out my ears. Cool. And it does automatically shut off when it's done. So we got M and U. So U is units. So we can go bar, kPa, kilograms per square centimeter, or back to PSI. And then mode. So you got tire, we got motorcycle, bicycle, basketball, and then back to car. So you can kind of save presets on here depending on what you're actually airing up. But yeah, it is really nice having a portable compressor like this. You ain't got to have it plugged in. You have to have the extension cord dragged across the garage. Literally just plug it in and go. So that is a very nice compressor.